Welcome back to GilComPlex on the road. So this week we're going to take you back through a remodel that we decided to do in our bathroom. We have our 2025 Alliance Paradigm 310 RL, and we absolutely love it. But we thought we were going to love the glass doors in the shower, but we weren't a fan. And it's not the whole thing where people post about them shattering for no apparent reason. It just was a pain to keep clean. I know. It's a tri-door thing that, collapses into three, and it was really hard to keep, especially between where the overlap of the doors go, to keep those things clean. So we decided we're going to take them out, and this video will tell you about it, how it went. Oh, and then also we have a little extra that we bought a little thing at the National Rally, and we finally got around to putting it up in the rig, so stay tuned for that too.
So pack up your bags, let's hit the road again. With Tony and Larry, every trip is a win.
What are you doing to our brand new shower?
Probably making a mess.
All right, so what are we doing?
Your video, and I'm getting ready to take these doors off this.
And we've bungeed the glass doors because we've watched other videos and they have taken the top rail off and carried the glass out as one single piece. So we're gonna see if that works for us. I was surprised that the top came right off, so we could just carry the three doors out that easy. It looked like in other videos it was gonna be a tougher carry out. Yeah.
Shouldn't be videoing me in the shower.
The shower looks different, Larry.
Yeah, my finger's proof.
Oh.
We don't have doors anymore.
So what did we do? Why did we take them out?
They weren't working.
They weren't working. They were a pain in the butt to keep clean.
I don't know if this is going to work either, but if this doesn't work,
we're going to
this is step one. If it doesn't, we'll go to step two, which will be a Nautilus door.
Yep. So we shall see.
We're prepped for the Nautilus door already.
How many hours do you think it took to clean off all that adhesive?
A lot.
All the way through and up this side, but you can't see this side because the curtain's there. But
it turned out pretty good.
For some reason, when they installed the original glass door, there were two holes, but they only used one. It's like they lined it up incorrectly and had to move it.
Miss H6.
So, what?
H6. You sank my battleship.
God. And then these screws were kind of a dark gray. We painted them white.
Excuse me?
Well,
I painted them white.
I was in Fort Myers for work.
And so I painted them white.
Yeah. So, okay. Anyway, looks good.
We'll see. If this first time this sticks to me, it's coming out.
Well, we finished the phase one of the bathroom remodel. What do you think, Larry?
I don't know yet.
Linus is laying by the...
I need you to watch for leaking water is what I need you to watch for.
Yep. Well, Linus will let us know, won't you, Linus? Okay. While you finish your shower, I'm going to show them what we did in the kitchen, actually right above the pantry, next. Okay, one of the mods or upgrades, not really, it's just decor that we wanted to do. We've been looking at these for a while, and we've went back and forth on whether or not we want to put like a U.S. map, a travel map of all the states that you've stayed overnight in, outside on maybe the slide right as you're coming in the door, or inside. So we decided at the National Rally, Adventure Boards, Rivet Supply Company has a U.S. map, and if you look closely, you have all the states in there, and then there are removable stickers that you can put in for all the states that you've been at. So we decided to do this. So it's our first one that we've gotten, and it's perfect for the new 310 RL that we have. And it's pretty simple to put up. It's the board itself, which is the last thing you really put up, but it comes with some 3M double-sided Velcro adhesive that we have. Of course, you need your alcohol swab so you can clean off the area. And then you have a pattern that you put up on the wall first, and it's got holes for the adhesive strips, the 3M strips, that you get it all right and angled and as where you want it on the wall. And then from there, you put the board on it, make sure it's good. You can take it back off, and then you take the template back off, and now it's all good. So let me show you what we did. Okay, now it's time to install this. So I've already used the alcohol wipes and I put the stickies up. I'm going to remove the back of the adhesive. It's the worst when you don't have nails. If you're using Velcro strips, which we like to do a lot for hanging pictures, so we can adjust them as needed. So now the adhesive is exposed. Try to line it up right where it goes. So we don't need this anymore. And that's it. I guess actually not it. We got to put the states up. So we've only been in the RV and staying overnight a few states. So we'll put those up, and that means we have a lot more to explore, which we're really excited about. So if you, this is not a paid promotion in any way, but if you're interested, you can Google search Adventure Boards online, or it's Rivet Supply Company is the actual company that offers these. You can find the adventure boards for all your stickers, but also the adventure map that I have here. And it's available in white or black. And you'll see our stickers. We did the stickers that have the names of the states. The other option they have are the ones that are just pictures on the shape or in the shape of the state. So definitely a couple different options that you can do. So take a look. We love it. You want to put the stickers up?
No,
Why not?
because I shake too much.
All right, then I guess it'll be me.
I don't know where the states are.
You shouldn't have meant that. I thought you were going to pull South Dakota off. Like, we haven't been there yet. Two guys without any nails. Eek. We did Texas in March of this year. When we picked up this rig. Sweet. Oh wow, that's... Guess that's why they're removable. Because it can be tough to line it up. Hey, I hit it. Okay, that's one.
Yay.
Next up, Indiana. We've been there twice. And it is here.
Next up, he falls off the ladder.
I heard that.
Yay.
Georgia. Georgia. What is it, Larry?
Georgia.
The night.
The lights went out in Georgia.
And we've been through here. We've stayed here multiple times. Five times. Here, our home state, Florida, where Larry and I were both born and raised. Tennessee, we stayed at Raccoon Mountain, outside of Chattanooga.
Yes. That's where we met Cindy
And Freddie.
and Freddie and
Yes.
the Corgis.
That's right. We were on the way back from the rally, and we never met them at the rally, but we met them at the at that campground. We're looking for Kentucky. We've been through Alabama. There it is, Kentucky. Been through Mississippi and Alabama and Louisiana. Just haven't stayed there yet. Last but not least,
Yay.
there we go. Cool. And that's it. Well, there you have it. That's our new adventure map from Rivet Supply Company. Same people who make adventure boards. And we're looking forward to adding some more states to that when we do our trip in September, where we're heading from here to Hershey in Pennsylvania, back down to Florida with some stops in between. We decided to take out the glass shower completely, and we put in, as you saw, a shower curtain. And so far, it's been a month, it works out great. We were thinking that if it doesn't work out too well, we're gonna put in a Nautilus squeegee shower thing that rolls up. But as of right now, we're okay with it. But we'll see. As time goes on, who knows? Maybe we'll change to a Nautilus or Rec Pro version of it. Thanks, as always, for watching and supporting the channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell so you get notifications every week when we put up a video. And share this content with your friends who might be interested in RV life. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Life's a journey, just take it slow. Laughter's the fuel, let the good times flow. Raise a toast to the moments that we share with our fluffy coat.